To make Word documents in Canva, let's come over to this create plus sign here and come over to docs. We'll choose the kind of doc we want to go for. We are going to pick up the A4 docs. And from the editor here, you want to start typing or hit on slash to use the magic write. So I'm going to come to magic write here because I want it to help me write what I want to do. I'm just going to quickly paste this for it to give me something to start up with, and I will click on generate. Magic Write has finished generating text for me. I'm just going to insert it here into my Word document. And from here, you can start to edit, continue to work on your document, or you can just type from this get-go if you just want to type. Canva even took it one step further to give me a beautiful header design, of which you can also edit this heading. You can just click into it. You can, from the edit button here, come into the editor of that header. And from this window, you can edit your document, add images, move things around, how you would edit a normal design here in Canva. Let's go to position and make it to the center. Maybe we pull this down a bit. So once you are happy with how your header looks, you can proceed with clicking on save here, and it saves your header with the edits you've made. You can continue to come into the body of your text to edit as you would edit other text. For this one, this is heading 1. If you want to change it to heading 2, you can do that. These ones are heading 2, and this one is a normal text. So you can, once you select on something, you can change colors. You can also highlight color. You can bold that part of the text. You can italicize. You can underline. You can strike through. You can align how you want it to look. You can bullet that part. I would undo this bullet. And you can also do text formatting. You can set the letter spacing, the line spacing. You can even go into further doing more text formatting where you have the formatting text position, whether you want it to be superscript or subscript. You can pretty much move this forward. You see what I'm doing? You can take it backward, and you can actually copy style and paste it somewhere else. Once you're happy with your editing of your Word documents and you want to export, you come over to share here and click on download. You see the file type is selected by default is PDF standard. You want to click this drop down here and select Microsoft Word documents, and you can download your documents from here.